Can we create a fake Instagram account without phone number? Hello, everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. First of all, you need to understand that creating a fake Instagram account is against the policy of Instagram community guidelines and terms of use. So if you're trying to create up a fake Instagram account, you need to understand that it is not illegal in most of the cases and it can lead to account suspension or deletion if discovered by Instagram. So if you would like to create up an Instagram account, usually even fake or not a fake one, you just need to follow the simple process. You need to head over the Instagram main page. After that, look out for create new account option. And once you are there, you can follow up the process how you normally do in order to create a username. So here you may just go ahead and type in a username, tap on next. After that, follow up the process. And as I said earlier, you need to understand that Instagram explicitly prohibits imposition and requires users to represent themselves accurately while creating Instagram account. So you can just go ahead and follow the process. If Instagram detects a fake account, it may be suspended or deleted. If the account is used for fraudulent or harmful activities, legal action can be also taken against the account user. So, creating a fake account, particularly for malicious purposes, can be a serious issue. So, you just need to head over and follow up the process if you would like to create up a normal account, let's say. For that, you just need to create up a username first and then password. Just go ahead and type in a password. After that, click on next, and you can look out for complete sign up option. But if you do not want to use phone number, if you do not want to use your phone number in order to create your Instagram account, you can use up email instead. For that, you can look out for the section of add new phone or email. You can look out for email instead of phone. After that, tap on next and follow up the process to complete the verification about yourself. Once the verification completes, your account will be automatically created. You don't necessarily need to add up a profile picture at the moment. You can set it up later. But in order to create up account for Instagram, you just need to go ahead and enter up a username first of all and then password. After that, you can use up email address instead if you do not want to use phone number, and that way you can create up a real account instead of trying to create up a fake account. So that is it. You may just go ahead and follow up the process. If you're trying to create a fake account against Instagram policy, it may not always be fraud. However, if fake account is used for illegal activities, then it can become a legal issue. So if you would like to explore Instagram, instead of trying to create a fake one, you can just go and adjust your privacy settings and control who sees your content and create a real account for yourself and make your account more private. And that is it. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.